Hi, welcome to Xkweesit. Today we'll be making this neon bracelet. Before I forget, please remember to subscribe to our channel Xkweesit for more of such content. Thank you. We start with rondelles 8mm. These are pastel pink rondelles. Rondelles 8mm again. This time we are using neon lilac, or I can also call this neon pink rondelles, depending on how you see it. So it has a gleam, a shine to it. It looks neon. Then we'll be using pearls 3mm of white pearls 3mm. For this bracelet, we'll be using gold color findings. So I'll start off with lobster clasps and also its accompanying chain extension. We'll also have cream caps, as well as 2 jam rings, and we'll be also using some sidlets. For this bracelet, I'll be using the 0.25 nylon string, and I'll be using the equivalent of 4 times my wrist length. So we'll measure it, and once we have measured our string, we'll cut the string. Now I'll fold the string into half by putting 2 ends together and tracing it until it reaches the middle loop. And once I have the middle loop, I will tie it into a knot. Sometimes you can actually consider doing 2 knots. That means folding it into another knot. And next, I'll be inserting a seed bead through both lines. I'll also insert a cream cap through both lines. Now, I'll cut away the excess string, which is this loop. So I'll use the scissors to cut away this loop. And I'll fuse the knot with fire. Next, I'll close this cream cap. Then I'll attach a jam ring to the cream cap. So I'll open it outwards and hook the jam ring to the cream cap. Now I attach the chain extension to this jam ring. So we'll hook it into the jam ring, and we'll then close the jam ring. Now let's start beading. We'll start off with weaving one 3mm pearl. So we'll put the pearl on the right line and we'll insert the left line through the left side of the pearl and weave it. On the right line, I'll put one 3mm pearl. And on the left line, I'll put one pink rondelle 8mm. This is the pastel pink rondelle. Now on the right line again, I'll put in one neon pink rondelle. On the left line, one 3mm pearl again. Now we'll weave a pearl with one 3mm pearl. So this completes our first pattern. Now for our second pattern, we'll start off with one 3mm pearl and one pink rondelle on the right line. We can see that the colors are alternating, or we could say that's zigzag. And on the left line, one neon rondelle and one 3mm pearl. Next, weave one pearl with one 3mm pearl. We'll repeat the pattern, except now the colors go back to the first arrangement because we are doing an alternating color neon rondelle bracelet. We'll continue this pattern throughout our bracelet until we have reached the length that we intend to make. And now we have come to our last weave. So on our last weave, it would be a 3mm pearl. We'll weave this 3mm pearl. It follows the order of the pattern. And after weaving this pearl, we'll tie it into a knot. We'll tie the strings into a knot. Back together. Now we'll insert a cream cap through both strings again. We'll insert this cream cap through both lines and pull it towards our knot, and then we'll insert a seed bead through both lines again and pull it towards our cream cap. We'll then tie a triple knot. To make it more secure, I'm going to just tie a double knot. This is optional because I want a bigger knot so that it's easier to fuse when we fuse it with fire later. Now cut the strings off, cut out excess strings and fuse the knot with fire. Close the cream cap and we'll try to tidy up our work by ensuring the cream cap is properly closed. And now we'll attach a jump ring to the cream cap. Attach a lobster clasp to the jump ring and we'll then proceed to close this jump ring. Once you have closed it, there you go. Our neon pink bracelet is done. Paired with pearls and pastel pink for the contrast. Crafting this piece made by hand. I hope you enjoyed this design. And this is how it looks like when I wear it on my wrist. I like its vibrant colors. Once again, thank you very much for watching and please do subscribe. Thank you.